Hello, I'm Robin Wischel with the Bahamas Weekly. I'm standing in front of the administrative offices here at the Ross University Bahamas clinical site in Freeport, Grand Bahama Island. We take you now to an interview with Mr. Sandy Cutler, who's the Vice President of Business Planning and Development.
First of all, we're not closing. We haven't closed. We're not going to close. We actually have a program that we're continuing here. It's called our Medical Education Review Program. It's very successful as well. Those students don't need approval from any of the states. It's really a program for people who are planning to attend Ross in the next semester. It's kind of a review and preparatory program. It's been here for a couple of semesters. We're going to add to its enrollment. So Ross is going to stay open. We're going to stay here. We're going to have some faculty here. We're going to have some staff here continuously. So Ross isn't closing. It's just that we've taken a piece of the program and shifted it back to Dominica until we get the California approval. And in fact, we're going to be making an announcement later today, not in terms of any big press release, but because we're getting questions from the media, that we have actually just agreed to a 3-year extension of our lease of our space here in the Seahorse Plaza. And we did that because when we originally did the lease, it was a more short term because we thought we might be building that new campus more quickly. Now that we've had to delay things a little bit, it just made sense, given everything we've invested here, to extend the lease here and then to continue in the long term to build out at our permanent campus as we've always planned. In case people are not aware, DeVry is the parent company of Ross University and owns Ross University, and so that's why that's important.
We invite you to stay tuned to the Bahamas Weekly for updates on Ross University and anything happening around the Bahamas.